Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Canva pictures into videos, more like slideshows and so forth. So this one is fairly simple. We're open here on a blank Canva presentation. You can do a flyer, whatever tickles your fancy. And then you just want to drag your images into slides. You can maybe adjust them, but just drag as many images as you need onto different pages. So we'll do a couple of images of some buildings here. So we've got about, let's say, 4 of them. Now, if we look in between each of these, we will be able to see that we can add transitions. And I like to go with this one. And we can adjust the speeds of the transitions. And now if you're going to use the same transition for every page, all you need to do is slide to the bottom and say apply to all. And then you can click on the duration option if you want to pretty much see the video, see how long it's going to run for now that all your images are uploaded. And once you're done there, you can head over to share and say download. You want to change the file type to MP4. Make sure that all your pages are selected, which you can see here, they all are selected. And then we can save our download settings if we want to, and then click download. And that's it. Now it'll start downloading your video. Your objective is complete. Do consider liking and subscribing for more info just like this. And I'll see you in the next Canva video.